All right, guys, so today I want to do a quick review on my 8-tier portable shoe rack organizer. As you can see, the setup is very easy. Literally, you need no tools. It does come with a small wooden mallet in case you do want to snap everything into place just a little more. I only had to use it a couple times. It does have about 16 grids in there. We should be able to fit a total of 32 shoes in there. Or you can actually see, I've seen people use it for books as well. And then the last piece of this is installing the doors. They are see-through, so you can see exactly what shoe you are getting. The entire setup is really lightweight, but still very sturdy, which also makes it really easy to clean. It also comes with a hook set that you can put on the side for convenience of hanging either like a purse or a hat. And here's the finished product. As you can see, each one has about 2 layers in, and you should be able to fit about 2 to 3 pairs in each one. Like I said, very, very nice setup. Keeps all your shoes organized. Like if you could see, like me, I have a bunch of shoes already in it. If you're looking for a really reliable shoe organizer that you can also put other things in, highly recommend this one. 10 out of 10.